Hello, my name is Kelvin Green. Have you ever wondered how professional services achieve that perfectly manicured lawn? Today I will talk about the zero-turn lawnmower and how it has changed the way you cut your lawn. The zero-turn lawnmower was invented around 1960s. Built with high quality material, the zero-turn lawnmower was built with high quality material with durability and to last a lifespan a long time. The zero turn offers hassle-free maintenance, easy to maintain. Features allow the mower to remain in tip-top condition. The zero turn lawnmower allows me to save time, allows me to ride in style, comfort, while providing more time for me to spend with family and friends, entertaining and barbecuing. You will become the envy of your neighborhood while you manicure your beautiful cut lawn.